Welcome to our YouTube channel FoodTech Online. Today in this video we are discussing about Food Safety Officer notification in Assam state. Total posting 16. We are discuss about the exam pattern and syllabus. Assam Food Safety Officer comes under the Commissionerate of Food Safety and Drug Administration, Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Assam. This exam pattern consists of two parts. One is general subject and other one is technical paper relating to our food technology. First one is in general subject, general awareness related to current affairs, that is day-to-day observation we have to read. Then also general knowledge include history, geography and basic economics, Indian Constitution, sports and scientific research, and also include world affairs. Then English language, they have to test the candidate's knowledge to understand about the English language and vocabulary and grammar. Then also questions include on comprehension, sentences, noun, pronoun, adjective, verbs, etc. Then computer application, it will include MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and also MS Access. These are all covered under the general subject. Then in technical paper, it's all about related to FSSAI standards and laws, and also our food technology subject, food preservation, food chemistry, food microbiology and food analysis. In FSSAI Act 2006 and FSS rules and regulation must be important. Then international food control system, which includes Codex Alimentarius Commission, International Organization for Standardization, etc. Codex which include JECFA, GEMRA related to food additives, pesticide residues, microbiological risk assessment, etc. And World Trade Organization, two agreements is there. First one is TBT, Technical Barriers to Trade, and second one is Sanitary and Phytosanitary Measures. Then FSSAI initiatives, roles and functions. Genesis and evaluation of FSSAI and structure and functions of Food Authority. Food Authority, which consists of chairperson, members, which also include in their structures, and their overview of system and processing standards, enforcement of laboratory ecosystem, imports, etc. Then FSSAI initiatives, which include Eat Right India, Food Fortification, Clean Street Food Hub, RUCO, Repurpose Used Cooking Oil, Vogue, Blissful Hygiene Offering to God, and other initiatives also there. And training and capacity building, which consists of the food safety officers selected in the exam. They have conducted some training programs, induction training program, which is in phase 1, phase 2, and how many days they conduct training, all are include. Then role of state food authorities, which means Commissioner of Food Safety, designated officer, food safety officer, what are their roles and functions must be studied. Then coming to our technical subject, principle of food preservation, processing and packaging. In food processing operations, which include meat processing, cereals and pulses processing, fish, egg, all things will be included in the processing operation. And food preservation methods, which include traditional and novel methods like chilling, heating, pulsed electric field technology, ohmic heating, etc. Then overview of food packaging methods, which include the novel packaging methods or controlled atmospheric packaging and modified atmospheric packaging, active packaging, intelligent packaging, etc. Then basics of food chemistry, which is important in human nutrition. The structure and functions of macro and micronutrients, then role of macro and micronutrients, then overview of food additives, anti-nutritional factors, enzymes, contaminants and adulterants, etc. Then also include food allergens and allergenicity, bioactive food components, Importance of diet in alleviating health risks, especially non-communicable diseases, which include cardiovascular diseases, etc. Then coming into food microbiology, the overview of foodborne pathogens and the microorganism from raw material, water, air, equipment, etc. Then microbial food spoilage and foodborne diseases, and principles and techniques in microbiological examination of food, which include immunoassay, radioimmunoassay, PCR, etc. Then overview of beneficial microorganism. Beneficial microorganism important in food industry to make several products, include curd, probiotic food, etc. Then coming into FSMS, food safety management system, food recall, traceability, sanitation, HACCP, it means hazard analysis and critical control point. Good production and processing practices include GMP, GAP, GHP, GLP and BAP. Then coming to food analysis and testing, this is important for food analysis. Fundamentals of for every food safety officer, they have know about the fundamentals of field level and laboratory sampling and basic and classical methods of food analysis. And overview of modern analytical techniques include mass spectrometry and molecular techniques. In spectrometric method, LCMS, GCMS, HPLC all should be known, and molecular technique include real-time PCR, ELISA technique, etc. Then principles of quality assurance and quality control, that is important in food analysis and testing. Each topic we have discussed later in our channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.